Hello again. Alright, I've been doing some research and digging around the connector, and what I found is that the shroud was actually put on after the wires have been soldered in. If I am to take the shroud off, I would not be able to resolder, or I should say re-weld. I do not have such a tiny arc welder. Well, I don't have any arc welder to give it the stability. So at this time I'm going to cheat and connect like I was expecting before. We're going to slice this open. We're going to take a look how much trouble there is to get this wire connected underneath there. It is partial cheating. I mean, there's still a lot of work to do it, but it's definitely easier to do than getting the shroud off. As you can see, this little piece of rubberized plastic is actually quite well attached to the wire itself, so we're going to cut it off and get to the wires. Alright. The materials that are used here are just amazing. Pliable, flexible, you can work miracles with these materials. It is plastic or plastic derivative, but it does feel like rubber because of its plasticity. Okay, here is the actual problem area. So we are going to cut off right here to be safe. Okay, so I am not sure if a solution just popped into my head that may have been a little simpler.
It's 11 o'clock.
Oh, 11 o'clock. Okay. No solution. Okay. Honestly, with so much care put into putting this thing together, I'm quite surprised that the wires that are used in here are breakable. I know there is, or I should say there are, aircraft grade wires. Those things would flex and flex and flex forever, and they do not break. Okay, so what we have here is basically three wires, or four wires, and only one of them is broken, so I'm only going to fix one. I think it was short-circuiting inside. So the red one is the one that couldn't hack it. I'm not going to cut any more wires than I have to. So for the next video I'm going to prepare this unit for operation lightning, and we're going to solder the wire together, and then we're going to basically dress it back up to see how nice it's gonna look, how nice the final result is gonna look. Alright, be right back. But this is what we're dealing with. So this would be USB plus, and I would assume that shielding is minus.